Upon receiving an invitation from the project owner, the user will get an email notification. By clicking the link, they will be directed to the project within Bentley Infrastructure Cloud. The user must select Synchronize documents to establish a connection between the cloud project and their local drive. After synchronization is finalized, the project will appear on the user's local machine in the ProjectWise Drive. Upon launching MicroStation 2024, users will encounter a new default configuration for ProjectWise Drive and iModel synchronization. This configuration will automatically establish all necessary connections between MicroStation and the cloud project. Once selected, users will have the capability to open a file from any of the synchronized projects.